Hello and welcome to the Virtual Shakeup 3.0. I'm Ralph from event.video and I'd like to show you how to get the most out of the Brella platform and all the fantastic opportunities that this event holds. So let's head over to your home screen, which should look something like this. And Brella's made certain recommendations to me using their very clever artificial intelligence algorithm. So if I just scroll down here, you'll see a couple of people that Brella has suggested I meet, including Juliet. If we click on Juliet, you can see in purple some of the things we share in common, like virtual, event AV, hybrid event AV, and live streaming, things I'm really interested in. And on the right-hand side, there are times that we're both available. So I could suggest 2:15 and send Juliet a message suggesting that we have a chat. Now, if she accepts, then we can have a video call and that appointment will go into my Brella agenda. So really easy to make connections. If we look on the left-hand side, we have all the navigation for the event, including information about people who've opted in, and the schedule, which is really important if you want to watch content that's already happened. So if you're interested in what happened on day one and it's now day two, then you need to click on past content. So that's the second tip to watch content that's already happened, maybe back on demand. Click on past content and then click into the section of the agenda that you want to have a look at. The Stream tab is our TV channel for the show. So everything's happening here. If you want to comment and chat with other people about what you're seeing live, this is the place to do it. And there'll also be polling from our friends at Slido. So lots of engagement happening here. But if you want to have a chat with people face to face, maybe your peers or us, you can do that in the roundtables that appear at certain points on the agenda. And tip number 3 is get in there early, because each of these roundtables can hold 50 people. So it's a Zoom style kind of meeting of minds, have a chat, ask anything you like, but just 50 places. So worth getting in there early. If you want to find out a bit more about the speakers and look at their bio, that's the speakers tab, which is fairly self-explanatory. And then finally, the partners tab. None of this would be possible without the help of Ingo, Feather, H2K Partners, Brella, and of course us, event.video. But if you want to find out a little bit more about each of us, you can click on here and you can watch the event.video story and you can engage with any of our team. Finally, you might have noticed that there's a video window following me around on the bottom left, and that's where the live stream will be once the show starts. So you never have to miss anything that's happening live. Well, that's it from me, Ralph, from event.video. If you have any more questions, you can ask the team in the chat. Have a fantastic event, and I hope you're able to try all of the functionality that Brella offers.